Do you wish you could encourage customers to buy more every time they visit your store? One effective strategy is upselling products on the checkout page, right when the customer is in the buying mood. And with WowRevenue, the free discount plugin for WooCommerce, you can easily set up high-converting checkout upsells in minutes. Let me show you how it works. First, we'll need to install the WowRevenue plugin. Simply navigate to your WordPress admin section, search for WowRevenue, install it, and activate it. Totally free. Once activated, go to the WowRevenue dashboard. You'll see a clean and simple interface. Click on Create Campaign and you'll see a list of discount campaigns. Here, we will select the normal discount option, and you'll be directed to the campaign setup page. Firstly, we will select the target page, where you want to show your upsell offers. As we'll do it on the checkout page, select Checkout Page from the drop-down. Next, choose your preferred display style to show the upsell offer as a pop-up, as a floating element, or directly inside the page. If you prefer the floating style, you can even customize the position and delay timing to decide when it appears. Next, let's decide the trigger products for which the upsell should appear. You can choose to trigger the upsell based on all products, specific products, or specific categories. For example, if you only want to show upsell offers when someone is buying gaming items, you can simply choose that specific category from the drop-down. Now comes the most important part, choosing the upsell products. Under the Products or Promotion section, pick the manual option. Then, under the Customer Gets field, search for product you want to offer as upsells. Then, set the minimum quantity of each product. After that, set a discount for upsell products. Now you have several options: percentage discount, fixed discount, or no discount at all. Let's select the percentage option and set 15% as the offered discount amount. To make your upsell offers even more appealing, you can apply some additional features from WowRevenue. First, you can write a cool headline for the offer. It can be something like, "Enjoy 15% off for a limited time." This will make your offer stand out among your customers. Next, you can turn on free shipping if you want to sweeten the deal, especially effective if the upsell product is lightweight. To make things more interesting, you can utilize the countdown timer, which creates urgency among customers. Easily select the specific date and time to set how long the timer should be active. And don't forget the animated Add to Cart button that hypes up your upsell offer a bit more. Choose from various animation styles to highlight the upsell CTA and guide your customers' attention. As you set things up, you'll see a live preview of your checkout upsell on the right side of the screen. If it looks good, hit the Publish button and click Save. But wait, you have the option to tweak the appearance of your upsell offer. Just click on the campaign and you'll see a floating settings bar to modify. Background color, border, spacing, and so on. Now let's go to the checkout page on our live store to test it out. As you can see, when a customer adds a gaming product to the cart, our checkout upsell is triggered. They get an amazing deal. All they have to do is click Add to Order to include the upsell items to the purchase list instantly. It's fast, seamless, and super effective. And that's how easy it is to set up checkout upsells in WooCommerce using the WowRevenue plugin. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one.